Think of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning as part of the same family, but at different levels. The largest umbrella is artificial intelligence. AI is any technique that allows computers to imitate human intelligence. That could mean understanding speech, solving math problems, or driving a car. All systems that try to mimic human decision making or perception fall under AI. Inside AI, we have a smaller but extremely important field: machine learning. Unlike traditional programs where every instruction is hand-coded, machine learning systems learn from data. Imagine you want a machine to recognize a cat. You don't tell it a cat has fur, whiskers, and a tail. Instead, you feed it thousands of images labeled cat or not cat. Over time, it finds patterns and teaches itself what makes a cat. The key concept is machine learning improves itself through experience without human reprogramming. Inside machine learning is an advanced type called deep learning. The name comes from deep neural networks, which are algorithms inspired by structure of the human brain. A deep learning model doesn't just look for simple patterns. It can understand complex layers of information. For example, in early layers, it might detect edges or shapes in an image. In middle layers, it could recognize patterns like eyes or ears. In later layers, it combines these details to confidently say, "This is a cat." Deep learning powers many of the technologies you use today. Self-driving cars that can detect objects and pedestrians, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa that understand your commands, automatic language translation apps that can convert between dozens of languages in real time. The main difference between machine learning and deep learning is the complexity of the tasks and the amount of data required. A machine learning algorithm might learn to predict tomorrow's temperature using last week's weather data, but a deep learning system could process millions of satellite images, weather reports, and climate models to predict global patterns. To summarize, AI is the big goal: making machines behave intelligently. That's what AI is. Machine learning is one way to achieve that, by letting machines learn from data. And deep learning is a specialized, super powerful form of machine learning that uses complex brain-like networks to tackle extremely difficult problems. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.